Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to online Edu classes. Today we are going to learn chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals part 6. Children, now we'll be learning the reciprocal of a fraction. Now what is reciprocal of a fraction? So let us find the reciprocal of 4 by 7. Now how to find the reciprocal of 4 by 7? Simply by interchanging the numerator by the denominator. So we get 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 7. 7 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 7. Understood children? Now we will learn something more about the reciprocal. Now, what is 1/4 of 4? What is 1/4 of 4? Now tell me children, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? Naturally, it is 4 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. But what is 4 by 1? It is just 4. It is just 4. So, what is 1/4 of 4? Let us find out. We know that 1/4 of 4 means 1 by 4 into 4. Let us use the rule of repeated addition to find 1 by 4 into 4. So from the diagram you can see there are 4 circles here where one part is shaded. So 1/4 is added 4 times. 1/4 is added 4 times and we get 1/4. That means 1 by 4 is multiplied 4 times. 1 by 4 is multiplied 4 times. So we have to find the product of the numerators. So it is 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. Product of the denominators is given by 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 4. So when we multiply the fraction by its reciprocal, the product is always 1. Is it clear children? Children, now we will learn how to divide fractions using reciprocals. Let us divide a whole number by a fraction. For that, let us take an example, 6 divided by half, where 6 is a whole number and half is a fraction. That's how to divide. For that, let us take 6 whole apples. Let us take 6 whole apples. Now, we know children, one whole apple is divided into 2 equal halves. One whole apple is divided into 2 equal halves. That means 6 whole apples can be divided into 12 equal halves. 6 whole apples can be divided into 12 equal halves. That means 6 divided by half is equal to 12. 6 divided by half is equal to 12. How we got that 12, we will find out. We know 6 divided by half is equal to 12 by the above example. Now, how did we get this 12? For that, we will keep that 6 just like that. That is the dividend. We will keep it just like that. And then we will change the division sign into multiplication sign. We will change the division sign into multiplication sign. After this, we have to find the reciprocal of the divisor. We have to find the reciprocal of the divisor. What is the divisor here? It is half. So what is the reciprocal of half? It is 2 by 1. It is 2 by 1. Now, 6 into 2 by 1 can be written as 6 into 2 because 2 by 1 is just equal to 2. So what is 6 into 2? It is equal to 12. Understood children? Is it not easy? So division problems will be converted to multiplication problem and then easily we can find the quotient. We can easily find the quotient. Is it clear children? Children, now we will learn the division of a fraction by a whole number. Let us take an example. 2 by 6 divided by 4. So from the figure we can see that the whole is divided into 6 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So 2 by 6 is represented by this figure. Now let us see When this 2 by 6 is divided by 4, what happens? Here, when 2 by 6, when the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, we get 24 equal parts. But when this 2 by 6 part is divided into 4 equal parts, so each part, that is, we are getting 2 parts out of 24 equal parts. We are getting 2 parts out of 24 equal parts. That means 2 by 6 divided by 4 is equal to 2 by 24 is equal to 2 by 24. This green colored portion will give you the quotient. This green colored portion will give you the quotient. So it is 2 by 24. Now let us see the mathematical way. We know, children, 2 by 6 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. 2 by 6 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. So in the previous slide, I have told you all we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. We have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. That means we have to keep the 2 by 6 or the dividend just like that. We have to keep the 2 by 6 just like that and change the division sign into multiplication sign. We have to change the division sign into multiplication sign. And then we have to convert this 4 into the reciprocal. We have to change the 4 into the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. The reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So 2 by 6 into 1 by 4. So that is equal to 2 into 1 by 6 into 4, that is equal to 2 by 20. So this is the way how we can find the quotient of a fraction divided by a whole number. Is it clear, children? This is the rule for division of a fraction by a fraction. Let us see. First, keep the first fraction the same. That means you have to keep the dividend same. You have to keep the dividend same. Then the second point is change the division to a multiplication sign. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign. That is the second part. And then the third part is flip the second fraction. Flip the second fraction or find the reciprocal of the second fraction or the divisor. We have to find the reciprocal of the divisor or flip the fraction. Understood, children? For example, let us divide 4 by 11 divided by 5 by 9. 4 by 11 divided by 5 by 9. See here, both are fractions. So, we will keep this dividend just like that. Keep the dividend just like that. That is 4 by 11. And then we will change the division sign into a multiplication sign. We will change the division sign into a multiplication sign. And then we will find the reciprocal of 5 by 9. Or we will find the reciprocal of the divisor 5 by 9. So the reciprocal of the divisor 5 by 9 is given by 9 by 5. 9 by 5. And simply we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominator. So 4 9s are is equal to 46 and 11 5s are is equal to 55. So this is the way how we can find the quotient of 4 by 11 divided by 5 by 9. Is it clear, children? Children, let us take another example of dividing a fraction by a fraction. Let us divide 3 by 4 by 2 by 7. Let us divide 3 by 4 by 7. Children, see here 3 by 4 is the dividend, 2 by 7 is the divisor. 3 by 4 is the dividend and 2 by 7 is the divisor. So this dividend 3 by 4 we have to keep it just like that. We have to keep it just like that. And this division sign we have to convert it into a multiplication sign. This division sign we have to convert it into a multiplication sign. And then this 2 by 7 which is a divisor, we have to find the reciprocal of this. We have to find the reciprocal of the divisor by 7. So how can we find the reciprocal of the divisor? Simply have to flip the numerator by the denominator. We have to simply flip the numerator by the denominator. So 2 by 7 is written as 7 by 2. 2 by 7 is written as 7 by 2. That means the reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. And now we got this in as a product of these two fractions. So simply we have to multiply the numerators and simply we have to multiply the denominators. So we have to simply multiply the denominators. So 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 4 into 2 is equal to. Is it easy, children, for you all to learn? Yes. So let us find another example, or let us understand by another example of a division of a fraction by a fraction. So the two fractions are 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. So let us divide 4 by 5 by 2 by 3. So 4 by 5 will remain just like that. That is, the dividend will remain just like that. And then the division sign is changed into multiplication sign. Division sign is changed into multiplication sign. And then we have to find the reciprocal of the divisor 2 by 3. We have to find the reciprocal of the divisor 2 by 3, or the fraction is inverted. Inverted means the numerator will become the denominator will become the numerator. So here when we find the reciprocal of 2 by 3, it is 3 by 2. That means we have to multiply 4 by 5 by 3 by 2. Understood, children? Now multiply the numerators and denominators. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Then simplify the fraction if necessary. Here 4 3s are is equal to 12 and 5 2s are is 10. Now 12 by 10 is an improper fraction. 12 by 10 is an improper fraction, and if you want we can convert it into a mixed fraction. We can convert it into a mixed fraction simply by dividing 12 by 10. Simply by dividing 12 by 10. Is it clear, children? So 12 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. 12 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Is it clear, children? Children, we will learn some more examples of division of fractions. So let us take one example, 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 5. So we will keep this 2 by 5 or the dividend just like that, and can change the division sign in multiplication sign, and then we will take the reciprocal of the divisor. It will make up 3 by 2. Now we will multiply the numerators 2 into 3 and multiply the denominators 5 into 2. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Understood, children? So the quotient of 2 by 5 and 2 by 3 is 6 by 10. It is 6 by 10. But children, it is 6 and 10 are having common factors. So what is the common factor? It is 2. So we will divide 6 and 10 by 2. Both the numbers by 2. So 6 divided by 2, we will get it as 3. We will get this as 3. 10 divided by 2, we will get it as 5. Understood, children? So now 3 by 5 is in the simplest form. 3 by 5 is in the simplest form. Now let us take another example. 4 by 7 divided by 2. 4 by 7 divided by 2. So we will keep this 4 by 7 just like that. Change the division sign into multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? It is 1 by 2. Now we will multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it is 4 into 1 by 7 into 2. But 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Again, they are having common factors. So what are the common factors here? It is 2 again. So we will divide 4 and 14 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 and 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So 2 by 7 is in the simplest form and it is the quotient of 4 by 7 divided by. Did you all understand, children? Is it clear? In this slide, we'll be learning the division of a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. Let us take an example. So, let us divide 5 by 6 and 2 divided by 2 1 by 10. Here 5 by 6 and 2 1 by 10 are both are mixed fractions and we have to divide them. How to divide them? We have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. We have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 5 by 6 is converted into improper fraction 35 by 6. How did we get this 35 by 6? 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. So 35 by 6. And how did we get this 2 1 by 10 as 21 by 10? So 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 10. So we have converted both the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now children, 35 by 6 is the dividend. So we will take and keep it just like that. We will not change anything. So 35 by 6 will remain just like that, and then we have to change the division sign into multiplication sign. We have to change the division sign into multiplication sign. Understood? Is it clear? And then we have to find the reciprocal of the divisor. We have to find the reciprocal of the divisor 21 by 10. So the reciprocal of 21 by 10 is 10 by 21. It is 10 by 21. Then we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. But children, we can easily see that 35 and 21 are having common factor 7. 35 and 21 have common factor 7. So we will divide 35 by 7. 35 by 7. So we get 5. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Understood, children? So it is 5 and 3. And 6 and 10 are having common factors 2. 6 and 10 are having common factors 2. So we will divide 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So what is remaining in the numerators? 5 and 5. And what is remaining in the denominators? 3 and 3. So 5 5s are it is equal to 25 and 3 3s are is equal to 9. So the product we are getting it as 25 by 9 and it is an improper fraction. So you can keep it just like that or we can convert it into an mixed fraction. We can convert it into a mixed fraction. So how can we convert it? We will divide the numerator by the denominator. We will divide the numerator by the denominator. So 25 divided by 9 is equal to 2 7 by 9. 2 7 by 9. Is it clear, children?
Thank you, children. Have a nice time.